Welcome to Black Diesel Garage. I'm Gabe and we're about to go, there's Maddie. We're about to go head out. It's raining, it's a Saturday, and we're gonna go get some OBS era of 6.5 Chevy diesel. So kind of wet and rainy for this, but we're gonna go and get one of those and probably drag it here with a chain or a tow bar and see if we can get it running. So stay tuned. Well, we are hooked up to this truck and we're going down the road. I'll show you guys in a minute what the outside looks like. But we got it and we're heading out. Alright, so I'm trying to get a little bit of ether squirted in this thing. And we're gonna see if maybe we can get it pull started. It probably won't. We're gonna see if we can. No idea what's up with it. Battery's probably dead. These do have an electronic fuel pump on the frame, so it probably won't work. But we'll see. Well, here's a quick view of what the truck looks like. It's got some little defects, but not too bad of a truck. I just sprayed ether at it and we're gonna see if it'll pull start. Probably won't because the electronic pump on the frame, but we can try, right? All right. It's got some rust there. I didn't realize, and some rust there, but it'll be fine. Okay, it's not firing. So we tried full starting with a little bit of starting fluid, which didn't work. Now we are hooking up the jumper cables to see if getting a little bit of power can get some fuel with the lift pump out of the tank so we can start it. Batteries also might be toasted. That's all the way up on the radio.
Yeah, you can barely hear that.
The bar motor works good. The fuel pump is at a very reasonable state of dry, or fuel filter. Should have been a lot of fuel come out of there. So I'm gonna cycle the key a couple times and hopefully we'll get fuel out of there. Well, we're gonna go ahead and either pull it with a chain or hook the tow bar up to it if it's not too difficult and drag it home that way, because I want to go ahead and fully charge the batteries. It'll make it easier and we don't have a lot of time today. So we're gonna do that. So I went ahead and yanked the brush guard off just because it's gonna be more of a pain to fight it than to just take it off. And I'm finding out, I've never put one of these Chevys on a tow bar, but I'm finding out I don't like it because if you drop the bolt, it just dips the nut, it just dips straight down through the frame rail and into the truck. So you can't drop them or else they're gone forever. But couldn't get this thing started, so we're just gonna slap the tow bar on it and yank it back home. I've had issues where my Fords have broke down and I've done stuff like this, but doing it here with a Chevy, it just doesn't feel the same. Ford, it's like, oh, you just had to break down. The Chevy, it's like, am I trash? I don't know. Just a Chevy thing, I guess. Sorry to all you Chevy guys, I'm just joking. I do know why a lot of these plastic inserts aren't in these trucks, and it's because it's a pain to put bolts through here if those plastic inserts are in. Kind of wish a little white dog would just come over and be like, let me do it for you. So we got the tow bar on over here. I just sandwiched 2 nuts because I couldn't get the back of the bolt tight, so I just did 2 nuts there to lock it. Took the bush guard off to make it easier, and now we'll just hook the truck up to it and get on down the road. Yeah, this thing's kind of heavy. All right, so Maddie's gonna back up and hitch up to it. Well, here's the truck. Just an old beat up Chevy 6.5 diesel. 4-wheel drive. The more modern interior. 5-speed. 201,000 miles. .5 diesel. There it is. All right, so we made a stop to pick up these doors. This one's got a dent, this one's got some rust. I'm gonna cut them apart and make one good door out of them. This is over at Steve's. And there's a Cadillac hearse he just got. It's gonna be a sign. So we're gonna be painting on it, used body parts, and blacking out the power cats on it with purple. It's gonna have some blue lights shining up on it, maybe in it. Maybe some of the lights will be got working on the car. But this is gonna be a billboard. And there's a guy who wants to do a story on it for a magazine. So we'll see how all that comes out. But you'll probably be seeing some of this billboard going on the channel. Well, here's the truck. We got the 56 Chevy panel doors for the LS swap. Gonna work on those. And then here's the truck we got. Give you a little bit better look. It's got a little bit of rust there. Rust hole there. A dent there. It's got some little hail dents everywhere. And then the peeling paint, like you can see some hail dents or something. Peeling paint on the hood. It's got rust there. That cab side looks fine. It's an extended cab long bed. Pretty classy looking. 4x4. Here's the bush guard I took off to hook up the tow bar easier. I need to get the hitch unfroze. It's frozen right now, but it's got a gooseneck ball. It's got this nice deep toolbox. Needs a trunk handle or tailgate latch handle. There's some stains in the carpet, but overall it's pretty good. It's got the no airbag with the cup holders. It's got good door handles. For the most part, the interior is a nice color. Have the turbo powered engine cover. This seat, the latch for this is broken, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Fold down armrest, 40-60 split. It's got the electric mirrors, power windows, power locks. Has cruise on it, don't know if it works, truck's not running. The blower works good and the radio didn't get very loud, so I'm assuming the thumbs up with the radio or speakers means it was real quiet. It's got the 5-speed in it. 4-wheel drive on the floor. Trailer brake. Good headliner. A little crack in the dash. But overall, this is a pretty classy, nice pickup. A little greasy, but it's 6.5 diesel. They said that it has a new clutch, a new throwout bearing, new pressure plate, and they were servicing it, changing oil and stuff. And they said they made sparks with a glow plug relay system. So who knows if that's true or what'll happen there. But from based off what they say, most likely the glow plugs don't work, is why it doesn't run. And it sat for around a year. But there's the motor. And I think that's all we're gonna do here for this video. I think we'll do a will it run in a separate video. But I hope you enjoyed that and seeing old diesel trucks like this. There will be another video coming out on it. And then we'll probably end up selling the truck, so you won't see any more after that. But thanks for watching, and once again, I love all the comments you guys comment, and any support like the likes and sharing this video is awesome. I greatly appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys next time on Black Diesel Garage. See ya.